오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hi everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I will make a sweet sandwich. Now I will introduce the ingredients. Bread. Korean people said morning roll bread. Bread and eggs and brown sugar and peanuts and raisin and mayonnaise. You know, when I was in South Africa, and yes, I lived in South Africa. You know that I lived there a long time. That time I invited South Africans a friend, and then that time I make this sweet sandwich. They are very surprised. So delicious, fantastic, they say. Because this is my recipe and my idea. Okay, let's make now. First we cut eggs. Egg. Yes, these peanuts we have to little bit break. If break and then very nice taste. Nearly ready. Like this much. And then we put very beautiful. And we put raisin. And then we put here sugar. Yeah, this much. It's okay. This 3 spoon. And they put the mayonnaise. Yes. Wow, looks very delicious. Now I mix. Very nice. This is really, really fantastic. Also very beautiful. Ready, mix ready. We cutting bread here, like that. Oh, nice. This bread is corn bread. Nice. Yes, let's put in. Nice. Nice. Looks so also fantastic. Ready? Everybody can come eating. Welcome to my home cooking. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Any people want to eating, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel.